Hey everybody, it's Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and I hope you guys are enjoying this Saturday morning, and hopefully you're having a lazy day, just laying around doing nothing and just relaxing. It's kind of a gloomy day here in Chesapeake. It just started raining, so it's a good day to stay inside and stamp. And I've been meaning to do this video for a few days now, but I've been working overtime at work, so I haven't had time. So today I finally got it done, and I just wanted to pop on here real quick and show you this project. Let me see if I can get my camera straight again. Alright, so today we're going to be doing this card, which features the Dove of Hope stamp set and also the Snowflake Splendor paper. And it's a really easy card, but it does have a few steps to it. My customers, I did this in my class the other day. Well, not the other day, a couple weeks ago. And my customer's like, this is a lot of work. But it's really not. You just have to cut out a few pieces of paper and punch out a few things and then just stick it together. It's really not much stamping at all. And if you have assembly line style going, you can put these together in no time. So it's a really easy card. And I think it's just beautiful. I love that Dove stamp set. So let me show you exactly what we're using first. Let me move this out of the way. So if you look in your Holiday Mini on page 13, we've got the Dove of Hope stamp set, and it does come as a bundle with the dies too. And I haven't really used the dies yet, but they make some gorgeous cards. You can see right here how this one is. It punches it out so beautifully. So I'll probably do another card with this stamp set and use the bundle too. But that's on page 13, and it's only $22 for the set, $49.50 for the bundle. And then we're also using the Snowflake Splendor suite, the paper called Snowflake Splendor Designer Series paper. Let me get that sticky out of the way. I was saving my page on there. So we've got this paper, which is on page 37, and we're using two different pieces of it. So I've got the one that's, both of them kind of look like they're wet. This one has snowflakes, this one doesn't. It's just blue, shades of blue, kind of splotchy. This one's splotchy blue, but it also has snowflakes. And this is what the back looks like in case you want to find it. So we're using these two pieces, and I just punched out some of them using the new rectangle postage stamp punch. So you need two of these, the ones with the snowflakes, and one of these, the one without the snowflakes. And then we're going to stamp on this one. So those are the two pieces you need, and I'm going to show you the exact pieces in just a second, and all the supplies that you need. So here we go. We've got Misty Moonlight, 5.5 by 8.5. I hope you can read my chicken scratch. And then the Crumb Cake, which is 5.25 by 4. And then we've got 4 pieces of Misty Moonlight that I've already cut that are, I'm going to put them on here so you can see them, 1.5 by 2 1/8. And I've got a piece of Seaside Spray that I've punched out. These are the punches, the 4 punches you need. So this is Seaside Spray, just plain old cardstock. Punch it out. The Snowflake Splendor's designer paper, that's the one without the snowflakes on it. And then you need 2 of the ones with the snowflakes. So 4 pieces of just the Misty Moonlight for the back. And that's kind of an odd measurement, but that's just the back, what you need for this punch. That's perfect for mounting these on. So 1 plain Seaside Spray, 1 snowflake paper without any snowflakes on it, and then 2 of the paper with the snowflakes. So this is what you need if you want to take a screenshot of that real quick. I don't know if I've got it too high. Let me scoot it down. Oh, I forgot the ribbon too. So the ribbon is about 7 inches. So 7 inches of ribbon, and this is the Seaside Spray, what's it called? Metallic ribbon. It's really pretty. Uh-oh. My whole screen just disappeared on the computer. I must have hit something. Hold on 1 second. Let me see if I can get it back. Seems like I always have technical difficulties. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I need like a teenager just to sit here and do the computer part for me, so it just doesn't mess up. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got it back now. So we're good. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to take all these stickies off. You like my hot orange, neon orange pieces of Post-it note. All right, so we're going to start with this piece. Actually, we're going to start with these pieces. I'm sorry. All right, so we need these two. You're not going to do anything with except glue them to these. And then these two we're going to stamp on. So we need our dove. And I'm using Memento Black. So on the darker one, this is the pattern paper that's got the snowflakes on the back. You're just going to stamp this right on that square, or rectangle. Sorry, wrong shape. All right, so we've got the dove there, and then we're going to do the words, Peace on Earth. Let's get that on the Seaside Spray piece. It's always so hard to stamp, like without putting your head right on top of it. So we've got that. So that's Memento Black. And that's most of the stamping right there. So then all of these pieces, these two are not stamped, they're just the paper, the designer paper. So then you're going to glue all these to the back of these. So let me just do that real quick. I'm going to use my multi-glue, Tombow multi-glue. Just put glue on all of them at the same time. And then glue them down. All right. Just stick that on there. Stick one on each one. See what I mean? This is not a hard card. If you just do all your punching and cutting ahead of time, you can just pop these together really quick. And if you glue it upside down like this, all you have to do is turn it around and it'll be the right way. All right, then we want to put some dimensionals on the back of these. So just put like 2 on the back of each one, or half ones. I always like to use my scraps around the edges so you don't waste anything. It's a good thing you guys can't see me right this minute because I'm still in my pajamas, and I have like Albert Einstein hair when I wake up in the morning. It's always sticking straight up on both sides, like a mohawk kind of. You know how Albert Einstein's hair looked like he stuck it in a socket? And that's kind of what mine looks like right now. So that's why I hardly ever show myself on the camera, because most of the time I do these videos in my pajamas. So I don't want you to see what I look like. I have to take a shower and get ready to go to work in a little bit, so I thought I'd do this first. All right, so then we're going to stick these down, and we're going to do them facing different directions. So this one goes up and down. Oops, I forgot to take the back off of it. That's not going to work. Okay, good thing we're live so you can see all of my mistakes and know that I'm not perfect. Not that y'all ever thought I was, but makes you feel better when you mess up. You can say, well, Lisa messes up all the time too. And she's been doing it 20 years and she still messes up. But I tell you, it's harder to do things on the camera instead of, you know, when I'm just by myself, I do better because nobody's watching. But I don't know if anybody's watching right now. I can't see any comments, so I don't know. But hopefully somebody's going to watch this soon. And if you say, oh, she messed up, haha, no big deal. Get all these little backs off and put them down. So this one's going to go down again. And then the last one will go on the bottom. Like that. So they should all, the edges of all of them should match up. So around the edge, they should all match. And then you've got this hole in the middle. And I was like, oh, what am I going to do in that hole? So what I did was I got out my white craft pad. And I stamped the snowflake right in the middle. And then I took the snowflake and just stamped a few more down at the bottom. Just kind of offset them each way. And that was it. So now we're done stamping. We're just going to put it together. Can you see those snowflakes on there? I think they're really pretty. Adds just a really delicate touch to it. So now we're going to put the ribbon on, and you're just going to wrap it around and tape it to the back. Let me see if I can find some tape. Cut this ribbon too long. All right, and that's crooked. Let's fix it a little bit. All right, so we've got it like that. Then I'm going to glue this down. To the Misty Moonlight piece, which is our base. And just hold that for a second. And then I'm going to take my roll of ribbon. This is how I like to do the little faux bow. So, oops, that one's not open yet. Here's one. So just leave it on the roll, and this is all bent. Then just stick it under here and tie a little knot. And you can put it like to the side or in the middle. I think I'm going to put it kind of in the middle. And then take your scissors and snip it like so. And we're almost done. You know I have to do my final touch, which is spraying it with my shimmer paint, which you probably can't see, but it's so pretty. So the shimmer paint, remember, is 70% alcohol. And I don't mean 70% filled up in the bottle. I mean the alcohol itself is 70%. And it's hard to find it right now because of the COVID thing. So the one at the Dollar Tree is 50%, I think. So don't get that one. You want 70%. And then you're just going to mix it with shimmer paint. And I use the champagne shimmer paint in here. So you need most of the bottle filled up with alcohol, the little bit, and then just maybe like 1/4 teaspoon of the shimmer paint. And we do have white or champagne. I like the champagne. And then just spritz it on here like 3 or 4 times. And then let it dry for a second. It only takes a minute because the alcohol dries fast. And then you have this gorgeous card. And I know you probably can't see the sparkles on there, but it's so pretty. I wish it was like that QVC Diamond Ink so you could just see that sparkle come up on there. But that's it. It's a super easy card, and I hope you like that. And if you want to buy any of these things that I showed you, just feel free to go to my website, stampingwithlisa.com. And that's with a G, Stamping with Lisa, because there's somebody else who has the Stampin with Lisa. So make sure it says Lisa Freeman at the top. And then the hostess code is always listed on my website, and it changes every week. So depending on when you're watching this video, I don't want to put the hostess code here. So just look on the website, stampingwithlisa.com, and you can see the actual hostess code there. If you forget to put it, it's no big deal. I can call Stampin' Up and get it added too. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the card, please leave me a comment. If you didn't like it, please don't leave a comment because I don't like negativity. So plus I think if you know I'm taking the time to make a video, I would hope that nobody would leave a negative comment because that's just mean. So I see that all the time on other people's videos, and I've had it occasionally on mine too, but if you can't say something nice, then don't say anything at all is my motto. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up and a comment. If you don't, then thanks for watching, but you don't have to say anything. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you can make this yourself pretty easily. And remember, if you want to buy any of these products or anything else from the Stampin' Up! Or Holiday Mini Catalog, just stop by stampingwithlisa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe so you can see the videos anytime I make them as soon as they come out. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.